Hello everyone, today we're going to check out this Rug Feature Pack Kookoomia Military Tactical Backpack. This backpack was sent to me by Kookoomia for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. Right away, you'll notice the heavy-duty build. It's made from water-resistant material with double stitching and thick zippers. It feels solid in hand, definitely built with durability in mind. And I chose this gray color because it's simply one of my favorite. For the main compartments, you've got two main compartments. The rear compartment is deep and spacious, ideal for packing clothes, gear, or even a laptop. The front compartment includes internal mesh pockets, great for organizing smaller items like chargers, notebooks, or tools. Positioned directly in front of the main compartment is a secondary storage section, perfect for notebooks, documents, or slim gear. Inside, you'll find an integrated organizer panel with 3 dedicated pen holders for quick access. On the front, there are 3 zippered pockets. For the top pocket, it is quick access for keys, ID, or snacks. And for the middle pocket, it is roomy enough for first aid kit or tech accessories. For the bottom pocket, it is deeper storage, could fit a compact camera, flashlight, or gloves. Right in front of the bottom pocket is a bonus mini pocket, perfect for stashing SD cards, a USB drive, or even a small multi-tool. It's easy to miss, but super handy for keeping tiny essentials separate and secure. There's also a hidden pocket behind the back padding. It is perfect for stashing valuables like passports or emergency cash. Even my 15.5 inches laptop fits perfectly. Each side has a bottle holder that fits a standard 500 ml bottle. You could also use one for compact umbrella or tripod leg. The MOLLE webbing lets you attach extra pouches or gear. It comes with a US flag patch, but you can swap in your own for personalization. Down below, there's webbing for strapping a blanket, sleeping pad, or even a tripod. Compression straps on the sides help tighten the load. The shoulder straps are padded and adjustable, and the back panel is ventilated. There's also a chest strap and waist belt for added support if you're carrying a full load. So if you're looking for travel, hiking, school, or work backpack, this is worth a look. It's modular, spacious, and designed for flexibility. If you're curious about this backpack, I added the link in the description below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.